All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to put 2 problems on this just to help you move along with this video. I know this is a tough concept to get. It's a lot of work, but we, mainly you, can do it, even though I just dropped my phone. So, numerator here, I'm going to go ahead and take a 7 out. No, not a 7 out. Taking a 2 out. Take the 2 out, you're left with 7x squared plus 50x plus 7. Inside I have to do the bubble method. There's a 7 and a 1. 7 and a 1. 7 and 7 give me 49. 1 and 1 give me 1. That's how I get my 50. So I have 2. And then zip, zip, zip. The 7x, that's my x's, pairs up with the plus 7. The 1x, or x, pairs up with the plus 1. And here are the lines. If you need to see those, here they are. Now, the denominator, as I change my color, here, can I take out a 3? Yeah, I can take out a 3. Go all the way down here with this one. When you take a 3 out, and an x, you're left with 2x squared plus 19x plus 35, I believe. Yeah. Okay, so now bubble method. I have 2 and I have 1. I have 7, I have 5. Hopefully those are going to work for me. Yeah, it's going to work. The 2 and the 7 give me 14. The 1 and the 5 give me 5, and that's how I get my 19. No worries about signs because everything's positive. So I have a 3x, and then I have my 2x paired up with the 7, yeah. And then my 1x, or my x, paired up with the 5. So now that I have this, none of this is going to go away. It's going to stay there. Those are the only thing that leaves. So I have 2 parentheses 7x plus 1 over 3x and then 2x plus 5. And that's my answer for number 9. 2-minute long problem. Not bad. Now, next up, number 12. This will be the last problem I show you. Because it's, maybe I'll show you 11 too. Who knows? Maybe I'll have time. Maybe I'll just feel it. So I'm going to take the numerator first and work with that. I can't take anything out, so we're just going to do the bubble method. 7 and 1. Let's do maybe 25 and 4. No, that's not going to work. 20 and 5. No. Not 10 and 10. It would be 10 and 10, wouldn't it? Yeah. All right, cool. So let me get rid of this. 10 and 10. So 7 times 10 is 70. 1 times 10 is 10. So I get negative 60 by making the 70 negative. So I make that 10 negative. So I got to be careful about this, how I plug these in. These are my V's. My 7V pairs up with the negative 10. So negative 10 has to go there. The 1V pairs up with the positive 10. So the positive 10 goes there. Once again, that's 10V. That's negative 70V. When you add them up, you get negative 60V right there. So that's where those come from and why that is correct. Now the denominator, you might think you can take out a 4 and it's just an X method problem, but I don't think you can't. No, I don't think you can. So we're just going to go ahead and start by taking out a 2. When you take out a 2, you're left with 2V squared minus 27V plus 70. And then, unfortunately, we have to go ahead and get into the bubble method again. There's 2 and there's 1. Here's 10 and 7 maybe. 2 times 10 is 20. 1 times 7 is 7. Yay, that works as long as they're both negative. So I make each of those negative. These are my V's. So, here are my lines. My 2V pairs up with the negative 10. My 1V pairs up with the negative 7. All right. So the only thing that goes away are my V minus 10s. And my answer, or my solution, is going to be 7V plus 10 over 2 parentheses 2V minus 7. All right, so you're going to finish the rest of this worksheet on your own. Thank you so much for your time.